and welcome from the scenic city of Bengaluru. Yes, it's day 3 of the IDFC First Bank Multi-Day 2025, a second test between India A and South Africa A. Bringing you live from the BCCI Centre of Excellence here in Bengaluru. The second test stacks up after being put into bat 255 by the India A side. Much thanks to the wonderful 132 by Dhruv Jurel. In reply, South Africa A 221. The star of their side, the skipper Marcus Ackerman, 134. Yeah, and in the second innings, India A 78 for 3 with important lead so far of 112 runs. This man is capable with the bat, still not off strike. Faced 4 balls last evening. And the prolific KL Rahul, second innings undefeated on 26. His first class career.
गेंदबाजी की शुरुआत करेंगे सेले। अब 8 ओवर डाले हैं, 2 सफलता इनके नाम, 28 रन देके पहली गेंद आज तीसरे दिन। गेंद को जाने दिया। फिर से वो कैरी की अब बात कर रहे थे, कितना बढ़िया वो कैरी है। ये विकेट, ये बड़ी विकेट। सेले ने गेंद को आगे रखा, केएल राहुल लाइन को मिस करते हुए। ये बहुत ही अहम विकेट साउथ अफ्रीका ए के लिए आज सुबह और बहुत जल्दी भी।
Smack over mid-wicket, as we say, punt turning the heat on. First 4 of his inning. Enough a successful over for South Africa A. And exactly, this is what that I've been talking about. Excellent strike there, deep over the ropes. Excellent hit here by the skipper. Sixer for Rishabh.
वो एंगल का कितना बढ़िया इस्तेमाल किया। गेंद अंदर की तरफ आ रही थी, पर यह गजब की टाइमिंग है। क्या दर्शनीय शॉट है ऋषभ पंत के बल्ले से।
फिर से हिम्मत चाहिए भाई, और वो हिम्मत अभी ऋषभ पंत दिखा रहे।
Well, that's 3 in about 20 minutes for Rishabh Pant. Now he's down on his knees.
ध्रुव जुरेल अब क्रीज पे आए हैं।
Getting hit on that left forearm, Rishabh Pant. Those extensor muscles probably. And Kuldeep steps out and gives some catching practice there to Tempa Bavuma. End of a wonderful effort by Kuldeep. The pressure being applied by South African bowlers. Eventually, some wicket for Subrine in the second innings.
Should be a boundary. Beautifully struck this. What was good about that, apart from the timing, was the placement. Aggressive, will get a boundary. Oh, aggression again. 1 ball before lunch. Gets a boundary. And that's lunch on day 3 is what India A will go into lunch with. That's the summary of this session. 22 overs, 65 runs and 2 wickets.
अच्छी गेंद, थोड़ा फंस गए थे। गेंद अंदर आई पड़ के एकदम। निकाल दिया इसको, निकाल दिया। गैप में खेल दिया हर्ष दुबे ने। मिलेंगे यहाँ पे 4 रन।
That's a shot filled with authority, filled with control.
Down the track, down the ground. Nicely struck. Good positive intent and approach by the left-hander. Harsh Dubey will fetch him 4 runs.
That's a big shot. That's a very big shot.
इस बार डाउन द ग्राउंड और 4 रन और बैक टू बैक बाउंड्रीज आती हुई ध्रुव जुरेल के लिए।
But at the moment, Harsh Dubey has contributed bravely, beautifully, with a lot of intent for the India A side. And the dressing room, Ajay bhai knows it as well, how important this innings has been.
जी 9वां अर्धशतक प्रदीप श्री क्रिकेट में, और ये 50 रन ध्रुव जुरेल के नाम भी। कमाल का मुकाबला जा रहा है। पहली इनिंग में शतक, अब अर्धशतक। या लाजवाब फॉर्म से ये गुजर रहे हैं। 14वां अर्धशतक प्रदीप श्री क्रिकेट में।
Down the track, beautifully struck. That's gone all the way. Brilliant hit. There's huge one. That's on the hill. The 150 of the partnership comes up with that 6. And that will be tea on day 3. Time for tea, says the umpire. 28 overs sent down, 127 runs, and they've not picked up a wicket. A very healthy strike rate, 4.54 runs to the over. That's really good batting by both these two. Day 3 post tea session.
पहले ही बॉल पे स्ट्राइक रोटेट कर दिया यहाँ पे हर्ष दुबे ने.
What a beautiful shot that is. That's a treat to the eye. In the air and gone. Kyle Simmons, a regulation catch for the first slipper. And Shepa Mureki gets his first wicket in the innings, and Harsh Dube's innings comes to an end.
Pulls it with disdain. That's going to be a boundary. Lovely shot, bowling slightly short. Oh, pulls it. That's a lovely shot. This is a terrific shot. It's gone all the way. That's Rishabh Pant for you. You get the treatment once you're backing shot. He was waiting for this length here. Rishabh Pant.
क्या शॉट मारा है यहाँ पर पंत ने.
That's the 100. What a knock here from Dhruv Jurel. Getting a boundary as well, but that 100 coming in style. A very well compiled 100. Hugging his skipper, Rishabh Pant. Back-to-back hundreds for him in this match. What a game he's had. 5th 100 for him at the first class level. Oh, now a pitch in the gap as well. That's going to be a 4. Runs are coming thick and fast. Right, looking for the runs, and will fetch him another boundary here.
That's in the air. It was in the slot. That's gone all the way. A 50 for Rishabh Pant. Despite all the injuries, he is a wounded soldier out there.
फिर से एक और बार. फिर से एक और बार ऋषभ पंत. एक और छक्का. 60 पर पहुंच गए.
That's huge. That's gone all the way. It was in the slot and dealt with severely. I'll help myself to 6 as well, says Dhruv Jurel.
चलिए ये बैट के संग खुश होंगे वो. अभी इस बॉल के पहले ही बैट चेंज किया था.
That's in the air. That's in the air. This should be gone. There it is. Connor Esterhuizen takes the catch. And there comes the declaration as well at the fall of Rishabh Pant's wicket. 416 runs ahead. And what an innings by Dhruv Jurel. 127 undefeated to go with his 132 not out in the first innings. So he hasn't been dismissed in the game at all. 382 for 7. And India ending their second innings with a massive lead of 416.
Jordan Herman, the opening batter, and his partner, Lesigo Senagwane, Mohammad Siraj. Starting with 3 slips on a gully, the left-hander. Right on the button, just getting a bit of movement as well. Slight shape there. Nicely driven. That's going to be a 4. 4 written all over that one.
Beautifully struck this time. It was in the slot and it got the treatment. Oh, that moved away, well left, well survived by Senagwane and Jordan Herman. Well, took it on the chin, both the batsmen. They've done a good job. 25 for none is what South Africa A end the day. In reply, the India A scored 382 for 7 declared in their second innings. Over 400 runs is what they require. 26.2 overs, 137 runs and 2 wickets. The run rate has been good in the game, 5.20.